My name is Siri, and today we're going to be doing a Pretty Little Things try on haul. I'm really excited to actually to show you guys the clothes. So yes, what pieces did I get? I got some very chill, loungy, stay-at-home pieces that you can also wear out if you dress it up. And they were not fall specific, they're just pieces that I feel that if you layer, you can wear them in fall and you can wear them all season long. And again, I had to take into consideration that I have viewers from Nigeria and there's no fall in Nigeria, and also in some other places it's just warm, so you can actually wear all the pieces that I've shown in this video, or that I will be showing in this video. So before we go into the crux of the matter, I just want to quickly remind you guys, please, if you like my content, lifestyle, fashion, please remember to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please, I really need you to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. I would really appreciate it. It really helped my channel grow. So I just forgot my line. Anyway, let's get into this video, guys. So I got this piece. This one is a bodysuit. It's this black mono strap frill bodysuit. I really like it. I got this in a size 14 and it went for £22. Let me just hide my bra so you guys don't see that. I just really like the way it looks. I just noticed when I was putting it on that it did have a tear. I don't know if it's a tear, if that's how it's meant to be. But yeah, that's I'll probably tuck that bit in. I paired this one with my wide leg pants. I'm really digging this look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I really do. I really love this. This comes in a one size fits all. I don't remember how much I got this. I think it was between 20-22 ish. I would definitely put that somewhere for you guys to see, but this one, I just really like how it looks, and I can definitely wear this if I needed to go out and I wanted to dress up but not try too hard. That's the vibe that I get with this top. So yeah, this one is definitely A+. So guys, I got this short smock tiered dress in mint color in a size 14. This dress is just too cute. I'm just going to come a little bit closer so you can see the button detail. This button detail, absolutely love. The neck has actually got some collar, but my hair is covering it. Sorry about that. I'm wearing a tube under, so if I really pull it up, yeah, it's weird, but normally it's meant to just sit like that. The dress is really cute, very comfortable. I can wear this at home just to chill or run errands. The only downside to it, I don't like to say downside to anything because I really like it and I'm definitely going to keep it, but the only downside to it is that it's a little bit too short, and I'm thinking maybe if I wear some tights, I think I'll be more comfortable, because this dress, if I just raise my arm in any uncomfortable in any way, like if I do that, like literally you're going to be seeing a whole lot of action or seeing my undergarments, which I do not want the world to see, but I definitely love it. I just like how free and loose it is. It makes me wanna. I'm in love. I really love it. And guess what, guys, the fabric is really, really good, and I feel like I can wear this to work from home, because you know they only see this part up. Wearing it to work, I feel it's too short to actually go to work with, but for some of you guys it might not be too short. You can wear it, you can rock it with some pop socks and some boots. Beautiful. I can't just get over these sleeves. I also got this dress in a size 14, and I will put the price somewhere because I don't remember it offhand. Is it offhand or offhead? Either one. But yeah, this dress is everything, and the fabric is also thick enough for the fall weather. So if I wear this out, I won't feel cold because it's really covered up. You know, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. So guys, I also got this dress. Oh my god, I love it, guys. You can't even. Let me go back so you guys can see. I don't know if you can, but it is long and it has got these slits in the front too, on the two sides. It's just amazing. I love the color, and it's actually wine and navy blue. I know it's coming off as pinkish, but it is wine and navy blue. It is just really, really, really nice. I can't, because I just like the way it fits my body. I also got this in a size 14. The fabric feels like fake silk, but it feels really, really good. I like this neckline. I love the frill by the sleeve. Anything that has any tie, anything, I'm all for it. It's actually got an elastic band here, so if you didn't want to tie it to the front, you could just tie it at the back. Let me just tie it for you guys so you guys can see, and you guys can decide which one you prefer. Oh, it looks good at the back as well, like if you tie it to the back. So guys, I got this shirt dress. It is not a shirt. I have just paired it or worn it as a shirt, and I've opened the buttons, but this is actually a dress, but I just wanted to see how versatile it is as a shirt as well, because it is a shirt dress. So let me show you how it is in its natural state. Voila! I love that quick switch. It is an oversized shirt dress in this green tie-dye print. I got this in a size 14. The sleeves are very long, as you can see the hemmed. That's why I'm like pulling it up. I think I prefer it that way. I also like it with the buttons open a little bit. It just gives it a very, very chill, casual vibe, you know. If you wanted, you can also button it all the way to the neck. That is also a very nice look. Okay guys, I got this another tie and dye fabric because I'm just loving this tie and dye trend. So it is a shirt dress. So it is this loose tie and dye t-shirt, and then it's got this band, and then it transforms into a midi skirt. Not a midi skirt, a mini skirt. I really like it. It is very cool. I'm all in for this tie-dye print. It's everywhere and I'm digging it. I like this outfit. I got this in the size 14 and it fits perfectly. The only thing is too short for me to wear outside. You guys already figured it by now, you know the formula. I'm all about comfort and reasonable length. I think the length is actually reasonable, like it's fine, like it's really cool. I can just see me wearing this with some nice white Air Force, looking all cool and fly. However, it's kind of short for me, so I would definitely 100% keep it and wear it at home because there's nothing wrong with it really. Guys, this two-piece here, definitely one of my faves. This is this tie-dye ribbed long sleeve shirt, cropped up shirt that has like this frilly thing at the bottom. I'm definitely now the crop top gang. I've joined crop top gang, so I definitely had to get this one. This is like proper nice comfortable loungewear, and this color of the tie-dye print, 10/10. This was not actually the matching pants. This didn't actually have matching pants, or maybe it did and I didn't see it, but I saw this nice joggers with this blush or pastel pink that had these orange stripes that went all the way down. Let me move back so you guys can see. Yeah. Yeah, and this fabric is the softest thing. It's softer than agege bread. Like, it's softer than hot Ibadan agege bread. Oh guys, it's like, I don't know how to, it's like feather. The fabric is 10/10. I'm really loving it. I got the pants in a size 16 and the top in a size 14. It just fits perfectly. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this every single day, all day long. This is just a basic tee that I also got from Prettylittlething, and then I got these cargo trousers that I absolutely love. I don't know if you guys can see, they are very long. Let me just tilt my camera down a little bit so that you can see the length, how it looks at the bottom. Yeah, so you can see the way it just falls. It is very nice. I'm in love. I'm not sure I'm feeling it with this t-shirt, but I think it goes well together. But I'll just do a quick change and wear another top, and then you guys can tell me if you like it. But I definitely love this. I got this in the size 16 and the basic t-shirt in a size. So I just gone ahead and changed the top. I've worn this is from my previous haul, the Zara short top. No need to advertise again. And I paired it now with the pants, and I feel like this looks 10 times better than wearing it with the t-shirt. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Please, before you go, just give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment on which of the pieces you want or you're going to buy. I will link in the description box. I'll leave the link to all of these pieces. Make sure to check them out if you're interested, and please guys, remember to subscribe and share. Thank you guys so much, and just wait for it. I have like a dance trial video just after after this scene. Yeah, okay. Bye.